Our treasurer provides direct assurance of every dollar into and out of the admin and capital works fund. What value can an annual audit of an OC's accounts provide over what a diligent and hands-on committee treasurer achieves?
Okay.
That's a fantastic situation where you've got such a attentive treasurer. The only thing I would suggest is that an external audit does provide a different set of eyes looking at the same books. And it also, we tend to find a lot of those situations that suddenly the treasurer sells or passes away and suddenly there's no one else left to fill the void. As I said in my presentation, where the Owners Corporation is taking an incredibly active role in managing and in effect auditing what the agents are doing, to that degree, there's probably a very limited role that an external audit would do.
And also, like, because even though it's good, sometimes you have someone really able to help the Owners Corporation to looking through those payment and they check those payment, but depends on the size of your building, and then sometimes it's the structure of your building. For example, if your building is a residential under the BMC, it is more complex. There's a lot of things that even though the treasurer check every single dollars, but it's not just the dollars you're checking. You need to understand what the binding legislation and binding bylaw behind it. So that's why experienced auditor can provide that sort of the checking process to help the Owners Corporation detect what is, if that's correct or if any mistake or if any incorrect into the bank account system. Okay.